Here is how you can show your contacts on the iPhone. Just in case you know that you should be able to access them, but somehow you cannot find them, I will hopefully give you some tips on how you can do this and make that work. So let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe and let's get into it. Well, whenever you get inside the Contacts app, it is possible that you are not browsing all of them because there are like different accounts and different lists. So always tap on the left arrow in the top and just go to the All Contacts, which is going to give you the ability to essentially find all of them, all of your contacts from multiple different like accounts, even those stored locally or stored on iCloud. Everything should be put together in here. But if you're still not seeing the contacts you need, try going to your settings app and tapping on your profile, and at the top when you go to the iCloud right there, what you have the ability to do is to manage the contacts and make sure that you enable those from iCloud. If you have any of them stored on iCloud, you need to have that turned on so those can actually appear on your device, right? Because they are the contacts which are stored locally on the phone and those on the iCloud. And if you have some on the iCloud account, then make sure you turn it on right here so they can actually appear and show up on your device. But there are even more contacts accounts which you might use for this purpose. Just return back to the main settings app, and at the bottom you have the apps section. From those menus, just select the contacts right there and tap on accounts, and this is going to give you the ability to add, for example, Google account. A lot of people have their contacts stored on a Gmail account. If you don't have it in here, just make sure you add it so those can actually show up in your contacts app. But there are even more options like the Microsoft Exchange and Outlook, Yahoo, and even other network or other account which you can add right here. But that is all from me. I hope that this was helpful enough for you. Let me know your thoughts below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.